Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around this Hyundai i40 and then take you for a ride in it. But first I'll give you a little bit more information about it. It's a Hyundai i40 1.7 CRDi style. It's the 5-door estate, 2013 on a 63 plate. Has done 49,950 miles. Very economical car. Not only is the road tax only £30, but urban it will do 53.3 miles per gallon, extra urban 68.9, and combined is 62.8. 0 to 60 time of 10.6 seconds with a top speed of 124 miles per hour out of 134 brake horsepower, 16 valve engine. As you probably know, we always check our cars on vcheck.uk too, and as you would expect, it's clear from that. It was first registered on the 31st of the 12th 2013, probably by a dealer to get his yearly bonus. I've been in that position myself a couple of times, so really speaking, it's a cheap 2014 car. I'll just show you around the car now. The front, we have the parking sensors built into the bumper there, the chrome Hyundai grille, the side 5-spoke alloy wheels there, you've got the blue drive badge on the side, power folding door mirrors, the roof carrier system, or mount for a roof rack, a bike carrier, whatever you want. Brushed aluminium bright work around the windows, rear privacy glass, the little chrome trims finish it off in the door handles. On the back we have an integrated roof spoiler. It's quite a big one. That's perhaps explains how they get so many miles per gallon through the aerodynamics. Rear privacy glass again, rear wiper, and then somewhere under there, just there, that's your reversing camera lens. Rear parking sensors too. Electric boot release. Lovely big boot here. You'll have seen plenty of these vehicles knocking around as taxis. Loads of room and also very economical, so that explains it. We've got a rear load cover there. And the rear seats split 60-40 in the back there and fold down, make a real long load space. Plenty of room in the back, nice high seat backrests, especially when you put the headrest up like so. Lovely, well finished off. It's like new. It's got the overmats on. Your magazine elastic pockets there, rear centre armrest, 2 cup holders, and the Isofix child seat anchor points at the back. Just at the back, you probably can't see from there, but I'll point to it here. Just there, you can there's a parcel net that you can pull up, or dog mesh, whatever you want to say, to stop things sliding forward. Very nice car, this. I'll just take you for a ride in it. There you go. Proper key, proper blade, remote, central locking. Let's just see. Height and reach adjustable steering wheel. Let's see, cup holders there. We've got sat nav. I'll just put the sat nav on. Agree there. There's also a map switch, so you can just, without it telling you where to go all the time, you can have you can see where you're going. Electronic handbrake. Let's just see. There you go. Power folding door mirrors. Let's say it's a big car. There's plenty of room in it, and obviously it will make an ideal taxi. An ideal airport run vehicle, lots of luggage space, and 5 adults. Lovely to drive, only £30 road tax a year. Nice colour, mid-blue metallic, not sure the exact name. And then we've got great cloth seats. They're not exactly sports seats, they're not the ones that you've got to kind of drop in, or older people can't get it in or out over. And they're nice and comfortable, built up at the side, so hold you in place. Got a BMW driver behind us. Trying to see how thick the paint is on the car. First time I've driven one of these, the i40. Excellent fuel economy though. Good turn of speed, nice gearbox. Got front central armrest here. That switch the parking sensors off there, and there's also an auto hold switch there, so you don't roll back on hills, and probably doesn't roll away when you're photographing it. Sixth gear there, nice and quiet, very little road noise. Nice big display there, good screen. Light clutch, real smooth takeoff. It's good instrument display as well. On the left hand side you've got rev counter, and then there's a little clock in the middle there. I'm just trying to see what that is. It's coolant temperature gauge. And then on the right side we've got speedo, another little clock in the centre with an information display, and that's got the outside air temperature and how much fuel you've got in the tank. Then you've got information display in the centre, and I noticed before that's the display there. You can change it from this, eco driving, user settings, miles to empty, average miles to gallon, and then here we've got the trip counter. On the right hand side you've got cruise control, on the left hand side you've got your audio controls and also your telephone controls here. So a lot going on the steering wheel, but easy to use, easy to see. Done well with Hyundais in the past, the smaller ones, and in the old days the coupes, they used to fly out. So not had any trouble with them whatsoever really over the years. I can't remember having to do a repair on a Hyundai. No, nothing. Great steering, good CD radio. It's also Bluetooth audio streaming and hands-free Bluetooth as well. Let's just see. My phone's in here somewhere. Stevie Nicks. Nice finish on the dashboard here. This kind of dark silver, undulating curve going underneath the dashboard. No straight lines in this one like you see in most cars. And then the same trim on the side of the gear tunnel, and round your switches on the steering wheel and matching on the door cards too. Electric windows here, all nicely within reach. We'll just check the door mirrors, make sure they're all working. Yep, that's all okay. And now I'm trying to figure out this. So that looks like speed limiter and cruise control. That's limit off. That's cruise control. And then, so set is down to minus. So let's just see, the lorries cut me up a bit there. We're on the motorway doing 50 miles an hour. Behind Martha and Fred there. With his home prepared rear wheel arch. Okay, so there I'll set that again. We're doing 70 there. Would have been good if I'd have changed into 6 first, but I failed, so we'll set that again in 6. 70 miles an hour, 2,100 revs. To be honest, I would think if Hyundai got their act together there, there's room. That 6 gear, you could give it kind of longer legs and it'd probably do about 90 miles to the gallon. Anyway, they must have some reason for that. I'm pretty sure their engineers are smarter than I am. We'll just drop in here. So cruise works as well. Nice on the motorway, no wheel wobbles or anything. Just check the braking when we come off the roundabout. So just go there. It's the radio. Really nice display there. Lovely car to drive, nice and smooth. Suppose I could do with electric driver's seats as well. Passenger seats manual, but this is electric up and down and recline. So great gearbox. Nice. You just feel as it's going into gear. Sometime today would be good. Oh, it's always them that get through. Always. I'm gonna I'm going to have to start a swear box because it's taking me too long to edit videos these days. A little, yeah, that's. I think I will. I'll have to start a swear box, and each time some motorist makes me swear, I'll have to donate to charity or something. But see, what gets me is people are at the traffic lights. It's on red for ages, and then when it actually changes to green, they're not ready. Then it takes them a few minutes to let their handbrake off, put it in gear, and set off, by which time nobody else can get through. I may have to start a moaning box as well. But I'm going to be skint at this rate. I'm not going to be able to afford the fuel to do these test drives. Wait, going too fast as well. What a lovely car. You know, I mean, if you've completely given up on life, or you've got a family, or you know, dogs, ideal for dogs, nice flat load area at the back. This is just ideal. Lovely steering. Seatbelt's got me there. Okay, so again, I'll finish the test drive here, pull over in a short while, show you how to set the sat nav, how to delete a mobile, how to pair a mobile, how to stream audio. Again, it will be the first time I've ever done it, so we'll see how that goes. And if the video's been of any benefit to you, please like and subscribe. It does mean a lot, it does help. And we'll catch you in the next video. Not sure what it's going to be at the moment. Maybe another Range Rover, or it could be one of the other cars that's coming to stock this week. Citroen Picasso, an older one. We've got a Honda something or other, a hybrid thing, which looks like Ed Straker's car off UFO. Not sure, I can't remember the model of it now. And a little Fiesta, price range Fiesta. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our website, ggcars.co.uk. We're stuck behind Sharuk here. Just pull over here.